Hello guys, it's your boy Igwe John, an ex-waste scavenger. Alright, currently I'm a full online business entrepreneur here in Kaduna State, Nigeria. I'm so super excited to be here. Now, couple of years back, yeah, I've helped hundreds of individuals become work from home entrepreneurs online through network marketing, affiliates, cryptocurrency, forex trading, skill monetization, and of course through the leverage of AI technology for easy business transaction and good decision making. So I want to officially welcome you to the Six Figures Online Academy YouTube channel. Yay! Okay, on a lighter mood. In this channel, I'll be creating content, video content, to inform you and educate you on everything that have to do how to make money online. Yes, and also on how not to lose your hard-earned money online. I would also share my lifestyle with you when necessary to also motivate you. Yes, to also ginger you. Yes, and if you are the sleeping type, to also get you off your sleeping pillow so that you can go out there and cash out that money. Do kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I drop new content. Don't forget to click the like button and also drop your comment, ask me a question, tell me the kind of videos you want me to do, and guess what? I'll be right on it. Alright, so thank you very much. I'm still your boy, Igwe John. Yeah. You can call me Six Figures. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.